Write a C program to convert all the characters to uppercase from a given index to end index. If the given index is not available, then print index is not available. Input, uh, suppose user has inputted I am a student, and the user is also giving the index number, starting index number from 4 to end index number 13. Then expected output should be like this: I am a student. You can see that I is already capital given by the user, and after that am is in small. But from the fourth index, it's a uppercase. I already created a program, and I will show that. Here I am taking user library function studio.h, and because of that, in this program I am using string functions, so that I am using library string.h, and I am taking some enter functions to upper and lower, that so that we are using ctype.h also, and starting from internet and integer I, si, and pi. I am taking I for using for loop, and si is starting index, and ei is ending index, and taking a string input from the user carry str handle. Here I am giving a message to enter a string, and after that taking a string on str, and this is a conversion character of string. Because that I am using scanf. You can use gets function also, no issue. In gets function there are not required this conversion character. Okay. And enter the starting index number, that are also I am saying that taking on si, and enter the starting index number. Uh, it's not starting, it's ending uh, index number, and already taking on scanf. Okay. I just uh, using length, integer length, for taking how many length user has given string, so that in length integer it's store length minus 1, because of that there are null character also, so that I am using minus 1, so that till the character it's counting. After that I am using for loop I equal to s of I starting index. I has been started from starting index, and I later on to less than or equal to e of I ending index I plus plus. If is lower, if user given in lower, then it will start from str of I, and it will converted str of I converted to upper string of str of I, that are also stored in as a str of I. And every time while for loop is going there, every character will be in upper side. If there are is lower, if there are upper side, then no need to convert that are printing as it is. So that I am giving a printf message string after case conversion. It's printing unstored str. If index is greater than length, what I have taken here length, star length minus 1, because of that I remove the null character also. If this will happen, then printf greater than index is not available. What index? That are also length, actual length. Okay, now I'm going to run this program as per question. I am a student. You can see that if I'm taking starting index 4 and maximum index 13, then it will print a starting string after case conversion. I am a student. I will show you another program to do that. If I'm writing uh, a small and capital using I am a student. Okay. You can see that 4 and 13. It's also working a student capital, while yes is already capital, but here no conversion, and yes is also in capital. And I will show you that another example. If I am writing here I am a student, and starting from 4 index, and if I give 14, 15, 16, I don't more than 13, because of that there are only the 13 index between the system. If it's more than 13 index, then what will be actual output? It will convert it to 13 index. But after 13 index, the message is saying that greater than 13 index is not available. Okay. H here, the print the index is not available. Means that index is not available. So I'm printing that. Thank you.